Hey, I'm Gordon from TentBox, and today we're going to show you how to install the Tunnel Awning on your TentBox Classic 2.0.
First things first, open your TentBox. It's easier to install without the porch, so remove your porch poles and store them away for now. Then you can either close the door or roll it up so it's out the way. Now, it's time to unpack the tunnel awning. In the bag you'll find the tunnel awning fabric and 2 telescopic prop poles, as well as some guy ropes and pegs. You'll need to identify the top of the fabric panel by finding the plastic hooks. Attach those hooks to the fabric tabs at the top of your Classic 2.0 door. Once in place, you can tighten the hook straps to ensure the tunnel awning fabric sits neatly under the lip of your tent box. You can let the fabric hang while you sort out the next step. Next, grab the guy ropes and telescopic props, extending them to the desired height. Locate the eyelets in the tunnel awning fabric, then slide the top of the prop into the fabric eyelet. Place the guy rope knot above, then keeping the prop upright, pull the guy rope outwards until you're happy with the tension. Using a mallet, peg the guy rope down at roughly a 60-degree angle. You can use the metal adjuster to alter the tension if needed, and you can finish adjusting after it's all set up. Repeat this process on the other side, making sure that the telescopic props are the same height. Now it's time to secure the side panels. We find it easier to start with the eyelet closest to your car. Pull it outwards, ensuring adequate tension is applied to the fabric. Remember, the shorter your car, the further out these will need to go. If you're using a taller vehicle, the fabric will be more vertical. Now simply peg them down using a mallet, then tighten using the adjustable straps. Do the same thing with the other eyelet, then repeat on the other side. If the weather looks a little unpredictable, you can install some additional guy ropes to the roof of the tunnel awning for extra security. And there you have it. You've now installed your tunnel awning onto your TentBox Classic 2.0, creating some extra shelter for your setup.
If you've got any questions about your tunnel awning or anything else, just reach out to our friendly team of product specialists and they'll be happy to help you.